Sisu is a 2005 Meridian 408 aft cabin motor yacht that is in nice condition. This yacht features a spacious interior layout with 2 staterooms, 2 full heads, and a full beam salon and galley, providing exceptional comfort for living aboard. It also includes molded-in steps from the swim platform to the Sundek, a full enclosure on the Flybridge and Sundek, and comfortable side walkways for deck operations. From a mechanical perspective, this yacht is equipped with twin Cummins 6 BTA 5.9 M3, 370 horsepower main engines, ZF80A-2.0 transmissions, an Onan 11.5 kilowatt generator, side power bow and stern thrusters, 4 reverse cycle heat and air conditioning units, and a Cable Master shore power cord management system. The Sundek features a hardtop with an isinglass enclosure, 2 folding teak chairs, and a folding teak table. It includes wing doors to each side deck, a storage cabinet, and a non-skid deck. A wet bar located starboard forward on the Sundek is equipped with a sink, ice maker, and storage cabinets. Molded-in steps provide access to the flybridge, swim platform, and main cabin. The Flybridge features a bimini with a full isinglass enclosure, a non-skid deck, and a radar arch. It also includes an L-shaped bench seat to starboard, a captain's chair centered at the helm, a navigator's single seat to port, and a mini refrigerator freezer located aft of the navigator's seat. Additional amenities include a storage cabinet port aft and molded steps leading down to the Sundek. This yacht features the following deck equipment: a Lumar anchor windlass with foot controls and controls at the helm, a Mantis M1 55-pound anchor with Mantis swivel and chain and rope anchor rode, stainless steel rails and deck hardware, bow and stern washdowns, windscreen covers, boarding gate on each side walkway, a dock water connection, a fiberglass swim platform with hot and cold shower, stainless steel swim ladder, and a storage box. The Salon welcomes you with a plush carpeted sole surrounded by a double row of windows on both port and starboard sides that are equipped with blinds for privacy. On the starboard side, an L-shaped sofa with a high-low table creates a perfect space for dining or entertaining. On the port side, a large sofa with 3 built-in recliners is accompanied by a storage ottoman. The entertainment center and electrical panel are located on the starboard aft bulkhead with engine room access in the sole. The Galley, located forward to port in the main cabin, is fully equipped with a stainless steel sink, an Origo 3-burner electric cooktop, a Samsung microwave oven, a Norcold AC/DC refrigerator with separate freezer. The Korean-style countertops provide ample workspace, while the vinyl wood plank flooring adds a touch of elegance. Additional features include a Black & Decker coffee maker, toaster, storage cabinets, and in-floor storage space. The guest head is adjacent to the galley and features a vacuum flush toilet, a stainless steel sink basin mounted below a Korean-style countertop, a mirrored medicine cabinet, a shower stall with molded seat, and a single port light. The VIP stateroom is located forward and features a centered queen-sized berth, 2 port lights, an overhead hatch, a hanging locker, storage cabinets, a carpeted sole, and direct access to the guest head located starboard and aft. The full beam master stateroom, located aft, features a queen-sized berth, carpeted sole, nightstands, port lights, a large aft hatch/window, a hanging locker, storage cabinets, and drawers, and an ensuite head with separate shower and toilet compartments. The master stateroom ensuite head features a vacuum-flush toilet, a porcelain sink basin mounted below a Korean-style countertop, mirrored medicine cabinets, a separate shower compartment with molded seat, a separate toilet compartment, and port lights in each compartment. This yacht features the following mechanical equipment: twin Cummins BTA 5.9 M3 370 horsepower main engines, ZF transmissions, dripless shaft seals, Raycor fuel filters for each main engine with vacuum gauges, Raycor fuel filter for the generator, Seastar hydraulic steering system, reverse cycle air conditioning heating system, central vacuum system, Atwood 10.5 gallon water heater, spare propellers, and spare parts.